Hi guys! One person asked me to make a lookbook styling the subversive basic top that I created the other day using tights, and that's enough people for me to do it. So I got one request, we are making the video, it is happening, here we are. I could absolutely make like 17 versions of this, so if you want to see more, just let me know in the comments, and as always, if you have any specific requests, let me know. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I literally post like 17 million times a day, and let's just get into this little mini lookbook.